next one. The next one. Also, PHP code style fixer only works on PHP, whereas PHP sniffer deals with JavaScript as well as CSS. However, honestly, I've never used it for JavaScript and CSS because there's other things out there that does that much better, I think. So, what are coding conventions? I've said that word a couple of times. What are conventions? So this huge lump of text is from our good friends over at Wikipedia. Coding conventions are a set of guidelines for a specific programming language that recommend programming style, practices, and methods for each aspect of a program written in that language. These conventions usually cover file organization, indentation, comments, declarations, statements, whitespace, naming conventions, programming practices, and programming principles. Wow, that was a mouthful, wasn't it? What on earth does that all mean? Well, essentially what we're doing is we're deciding on a style that everyone follows, a style that our code needs to adopt and adhere to. And it will make us more efficient as developers go forward. But this is a question I always get asked. What is the point? What is the point of making our code nice and looking fancy? Surely that's just form over function. Surely the code just works, right? That's what I was asked on that project where we had to rebuild it from a custom framework to something else. Well, the thing is, we read code far more than we write code. In fact, we are really big readers, all of us. Because when we are writing code, we are integrating our code into someone else's code or our previous code that we created. Which means we are reading both before and after where it slots in. And when we're debugging code, we're reading the stack trace, we're going through the step, the debugging, as we do that. So we read code, which means that our code needs to therefore be readable. So let's talk about PHP code sniffer. This is where you get it. That's the GitHub link there. It works for anything over PHP 5.4 and above, which is awesome.